For adventurers who have more time to explore beyond the old town, a short journey down the river leads to the lush, green water coconut forests of Cam Thanh, home to the famous round basket boat tours. These unique circular boats, known locally as thung chai, are woven completely out of sturdy bamboo and have a fascinating history dating back to the French colonial era when clever local fishermen invented them to avoid paying high boat taxes. Gliding through the narrow, peaceful channels of the palm forest feels like entering a hidden jungle paradise, but the real excitement begins when the local rowers demonstrate their incredible skills. In the middle of the river, talented guides perform the thrilling basket boat dance, spinning the round vessels at dizzying speeds until water flies in every direction. Rowers use intense, synchronized paddle strokes to tilt and rotate the boats like an extreme carnival ride, often inviting brave travelers to climb aboard and experience the wild, spinning sensation firsthand. It is a joyful, energetic performance filled with loud music, laughter, and splashes of water, providing a fantastic contrast to the tranquil pace of the ancient town and showing the vibrant, fun-loving spirit of the local community.